Best low competition Fiverr gigs for beginners. Let's go. Guys, I hope you guys are well. Don't forget, check out my playlist, guys, with other Fiverr related videos. But yeah, let's check this out. So basically, okay, so to get the gigs, especially new gigs, what I would do is I would go under the headings firstly, and then where you see that you're gonna have low competition ones, especially with the new sections, because Fiverr updates this all the time, and they keep giving new sections in here. So you can see writing advice is a new one. When I go to programming and tech, data engineering, custom websites, go to videographers, video advice. Advice seems to be a big one that people are going on. So go to advice and look, you know that it's a good one because you can see that the service is available at 270. Not that much. That means you're able to get yourself in there and rank yourself. Obviously, you need to make sure that you got good thumbnail, good video, and good description. And I've got a video on that if you want to check out in my playlist. But yeah, you could definitely need to make sure that you got everything there. But look, what the first way I would do is I would look through the sections and see what you're good at, what you can do, and then just make sure that you go to the new ones, new sections, because that way, if you can be quick, you can get yourself ranked in there, and then make sure that you're seen on the first page, just like I am. I'm on my first page on my gigs, and you can see I've done videos on it just to explain it. So basically, that's the first tip. The second tip I would do is some easy ones are things that you could do. For example, like graphic design, logo design. Logo designs are simple because all you need to do is use something called Canva, which is a software, and you can actually do this in like a minute or two. And I'll show you a video on this as well. So basically, Canva is a really good design. However, look at this. This is going to be like crazy. Look at the services, 205,178. So you're not going to be ranking on this one. So if you like to do logo designing, you're not going to rank on this search term called logo design. You have to be specific. This is how you rank as a beginner. So let's say you're a logo designer and you go on Canva. So Canva basically, I'll just show you very quickly. Canva is the software tool which I use, and it's amazing. And literally I do all my designs, thumbnails, whatever it is, I can do it. And you can literally do a logo design in a few seconds, guys. It's that good. You know, I could just go to home and I could click logo design, right? Logo design. That's all I got to do. And then what it's going to do is going to give me templates. So when you saw that homepage for the Fiverr, you can see they had templates. And look at these. These are examples where you can use and you can just change. I've got a link in my description if you want to try Canva out for free as well. So if I wanted to do like a coffee shop logo, I could just change it up, customize it, call it something else, change the design slightly. And then this is what they do in Fiverr. You can see a lot of these designs are actually being used through Canva. And you know, they charge anywhere from like £20 to like, you know, look, £217. So logo design is quite good. However, you're not going to rank like this. So whatever you do, whatever you think you're good at, I want you to do this for me, please. I want you to type in what it is that you want to do. So let's say logo design. And then what you have to do is you have to add more words to it. So for example, look, it says it's giving you suggestions, logo design business, for business, right? So remember the coffee shop I showed you, that's for business. So logo design business, that's what you want to rank for. And then look, you can still see the services are massive, 288,000. Then you're going to have to change it up, and you might say, okay, minimalist. Minimalist is also another kind of popular-esque one. However, look, from 288,000, you got 163,000 now, the competition. And then you can go even further, minimalist logo, luxury logo design. Some people want like a luxurious design. Again, you're reducing it even more. So when you're trying to rank for something, it's getting less. And then you keep going until like you're increasing the words, but you're still sticking to the whole theme of design. So modern, minimalist, luxury design for, and then you're adding more for businesses, right? For businesses, right? Let's see what the competition is for this term. Look at this, I've gone down to 96,000, and I can keep going down and down and down. But to be honest with you, logo design is still a massive category to go into. So it's really, really big. You know, when you want to go into something else like whiteboard animation. Now, whiteboard animation is really interesting because you can actually create whiteboard animations real cheap on other softwares which you can get, and I'm going to do a video on this. So whiteboard animation, look at the services down to 3,644. So that shows you that is something that you could get into. And also when you just add a word or two, whiteboard animations, and then you say explain a video, let's say, I wonder what that does. That's actually more. See, sometimes it can actually go up more for businesses. Again, a lot of these people usually order it for their business or, you know, website, whatever it is. So I'm just going to say for business, right? So actually it's quite still quite a lot. So whiteboard animation, actually the main term has less of a search term, which is probably better. And then what you need to do is you need to still, you know, check it out. So for example, you might see what people have done. So I'll create a custom whiteboard animation. You know, even if you add custom whiteboard animation, you know, custom whiteboard animation, and then see what that kind of does. Is that's also not too bad, not too bad, but you can get lower by if you keep adding more words. Okay, so that's what I suggest. You should go in, check out what the new ones are. So social media videos, for example, let's just see what that is. 9,000, not too bad for a social media one. Go into business, see what they've got. Go into program and tech, and actually just see what things are new, and then think about what skills you can offer. So if you're an animator, if you're a videographer, you might want to say something like create or repurpose videos, repurpose videos, shorts, let's say, because look, a massive thing these days is people are doing like shorts, creating, repurposing their big videos into shorts. Look at the services here. If you're an animator, sorry, if you're a videographer, if you can edit videos, this is fantastic for you. 656 services available. You can literally get into this quite quickly. And look, this is massive, guys. You know, you could charge anywhere from 34 to 43 per video. So you could just repurpose from a long form video into a short form shorts, just kind of chop up the shorts, make them into small 1 minute segments, and you can get yourself like £50 a pop. And literally it's amazing, guys. Look, you can rank quite quickly with this number. So I suggest you look for something that you know how to do. Add words to the description so that it reduces the amount of services available. But I would say definitely try to find something that actually is good in the first place, that has a low number of services that they are available, because you're going to easily rank on it. If it was like logo design, that's much harder unless you kind of go into the niche a lot more. So that's what I suggest, guys. You can find low competition gigs easily just by typing it up like I've just done. But I would say think about what it is that you know how to do. Because if you can do something, you're not only going to enjoy it, you could do it quickly and you can do it very well, because you need to be good when you come on Fiverr, because there's a lot of competition, a lot of people are very good, and you want to be able to get good reviews, 5-star reviews quickly. So think about something you like, you're good at, and then what I would do is type in the title here at the top and then see what your services are, how many there is. If it's a lot, then add words to it. So you might say a design, logo design, and then you might say logo design for a wedding, logo design for a business, logo design for a minimalist logo design for a business, a minimalist logo design for a wedding. So keep adding words, get into the niche of something specific, and then as the services go down, actually create your gig around this. And I'm going to do a video actually on creating a gig around that kind of when you find something. So please look out for check out my playlist. I've got a few videos on there anyway. But guys, this is how you find low competition gigs which you can actually get on and rank for. So guys, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to do a few videos on this, and I'll actually give you more specific topics. Maybe if you're not sure about what you're doing, what you're good at, what you want to do, then I'm going to do another video which shows you specific examples of good topics to get into. Okay, but here's some interesting ones. I'll give you another interesting one. Unboxing, which is probably one of the easiest things to do. An unboxing video, right? Where you just literally unbox something. Look at this, 460 services available. You literally get a video, you unbox it, right? You just unbox it and you talk about it. So if you like talking, you like opening boxes, you want to communicate, talk about this to people. Look at that, 43 pounds, literally crazy, just to get something and unbox it. And sometimes you get to keep the product as well. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Remember, please check out the free trial for Canva if that's something that you want to do for designing, because that is amazing. And please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Check out my playlist also, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.